guys, welcome back. So I realized that 5 DIYs is not enough to get over your boredom for this whole freaking summer. So here are 5 paper crafts to get over your boredom. I don't like long intros and I don't think you'll do either, so let's get on with the video. So for this DIY, you're gonna need paper, colorful pens, and scissors. Let's get started. So take your sheet of paper and fold it over like this. Snip off the excess. And unfold it. Then you're gonna fold it across end to end like this. Now you should have an X down the middle. Now you're gonna fold each individual piece in like this. You're gonna flip it over and do the same thing. Now fold it like this. And do it again, but the other way. Put your hands in it and fold it in like this. And there you have it, your fortune teller. Get a colorful pen or marker and draw the names of the colors on there. Here I have pink, purple, blue, and green. I flipped it over and wrote numbers. Now you're gonna write the fortunes inside each individual number. So for this DIY, you're gonna need paper and colorful pens. Let's get started. So you're gonna start off by folding over your paper hamburger style. Make sure the opening is on the bottom. Then you're gonna fold it over once more. Now you're gonna fold each piece in like this, along the crease. Take the bottom opening from one side and fold it over. Flip it over and do the same thing. Now you're gonna grab the corner pieces and fold it back to the back side. Now you're gonna open it and lay it flat like this. Take one side and fold it over. Flip it over and fold over the opposite side. You're gonna open it once more and lay it flat. Now fold it along the crease. And there you have it, your paper mouth. So this is optional, but I'm taking my colorful pens and drawing features on it. For this DIY, you're obviously going to need paper and again, colorful pens. This is the same method for creating the mouth, but you stop halfway, so there's no point of me explaining. So at this point, you can use the colorful pens to decorate. But other than that, there you have it, your paper hat. For this DIY, you're going to need paper and, yes, again, colorful pens. Let's get started. So you're going to take your sheet of paper and fold it in half, hot dog style. Now you're going to open it up and lay it flat on the table. You're going to grab the corner piece and fold it in. Do the same for the other side. Now you're going to grab that corner piece and fold it in as well. Do the same to the other side. Now you're going to fold your paper airplane once more. Take one side and fold it down. Flip it over and fold that piece along the same line. Now you're going to take the bottom flap and fold it up like this. Do the same to the other side. Now you're going to unfold the wings. And there you have it, your paper airplane. Use pens, markers, or crayons to decorate. For this DIY, you're going to need paper, a ruler, scissors, tape, and some colorful pens. Let's get started. You're going to take one of your pens or markers and color along one side of the sheet of paper. This will guide you in folding later. Now I'm going to want 2 half-inch strips. So here I'm going to take my ruler and mark at the beginning and the half-inch mark. Do the same to the opposite end. Now you're going to use a ruler to draw a line across to each corresponding mark. Use the scissors to cut it out. Now that you have both strips, it's time to take your tape and tape them together. Take one end of the paper and fold it behind the longer piece. Take the other end and pull it through. This will form a pentagon shape. You're going to take the smaller end, fold it up, and put it behind the fold. Now you're going to take the longer end of the paper, put it behind, and fold it over the top.
crossing it over to the other side. Now you're going to do the same thing and go across. Keep going across like this till you have finished all of the paper. Now you're going to take the final piece and put it under the fold. The final step is to pinch each side of the pentagon till you form a star.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and comment down below what other video ideas I should do. Make sure to give a like and subscribe. Also, comment down below if you'd like to see my birthday present haul or what I got for my birthday, because it's not really a haul because I didn't go and buy stuff, but my birthday's coming up, and comment down below if you'd like to see that, because honestly I really don't know if any of you will be interested in that. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.